Pizza, pizza.
Count in French for the face. Un,
Deux,
deux,
trois,
trois,
quatre,
quatre,
cinq,
cinq,
six,
six,
sept,
sept,
huit,
huit,
neuf,
neuf,
dix.
10.
You don't
You
believe
would
me?
kill everybody in this world if you were a scientist.
Me? I'll be a damn good.
Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new energetic day here in France, in my house at least. You guys, I woke up this morning and I am grateful, and I'm not the only one that's grateful. I think Sarah is also grateful because she's making a lot of nice shoddy. I'm sure Tyler and Baby's also grateful because Tyler is off to school and Baby's off to work. I just finished getting my workout in. You guys didn't see all that because I was using the phone to play music on my headphone, and you guys know there's no camera, so it's not easy for me to be in my zone and listening to the music and then stop and filming the workout is just not easy. Anyway, you guys, I got my workout in. Head over to my workout channel if you guys want to see some of the workouts that I do each day. Workout is over there if you want to know what's my workout channel. The link is in the description box, or just scroll down to the bottom of this page and you'll see the channel there. Just click on it and it takes you right to my workout channel at Body After Baby. So I just finished getting my workout in. As you guys can see, I'm still wetty and sweaty and stuff like that. I am making Sarah omelette real quick. Sarah love her omelette in the mornings after her bottle. So I'm making her an omelette, and then I am going to jump into the bathroom and get fresh real quick and get on with my day. Hopefully you guys are having a good day, whatever time of the day that you guys are watching this. If you're starting off your day, say a word of prayer and give thanks before you step out in the morning. If you're already well into your day and you forget to say give thanks, say it now, girl. Because you and I didn't have to wake up to see today. And that's a blessing. Anyway, you guys, have a good day. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Give this video a thumbs up right now. Subscribe if you're new to the fan bag also right now. Why do I have this plate? I'm talking to you guys. I don't even realize what I'm doing. Yeah, so that's what's going on right now. I have a few things on my agenda to get done today, so I'm going to jump right into my routine. I'm hyped right now because workout has just ended, so you know my energy is right. My energy is right, girl. Anyway, you guys, have a good day. I'm going to let you guys see Princess give her omelette while I go and take a shower. Princess, Sarah, say yes, mama. Sarah, say yes, mama. She's singing about monkey. You guys hear her sing? She's hype right now for monkey song. Anyway, let me go and set her up. Alright, that's our omelette ready. You ready to eat? Eat! You want to eat? Eat? Eat. You're going to eat? Come, let's eat. Let's eat egg. 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 Gonna eat egg? Egg. Egg. You want egg? Come. Voila. That's for you. Can you say morning to the faves? Say morning. Say morning. Say hello. Yummy. Yummy. Watch her rubbing her stomach. Yummy. Mmm. What is this? Egg. Good girl. All right, enjoy. Mama going to take a shower and come back, okay? Good girl. You guys, y'all know Sarah don't play with her food. She don't play with her food. She love her food. Look at her. Look at her. Anyway, you guys, I'm out. She just wanna put on the headphone and walk around and sing like she hearing music. Sarah, what are you listening to? You dancing? What are you listening to? What's playing? Dance. What's playing? What music's playing? Go, Sarah. Hey, hey, hey. Go, girl. Hey, hey. Yeah, yeah. Do the boogie. Do the boogie. Shake your booty. Shake, shake, shake. Go, Sarah. Shake, shake, shake. Go, go. Hey, turn up. Turn up. You look so cute in that headphone. Look at her. You can't tell her nothing in right now. Nothing you can't tell she right now. She listening to music. What letter is that? What letter is that? Hmm? What are My child is a sample. Oh my gosh. Sarah. She not easy, you know. What color is that, Sarah? Green. Very good. And what color is the other one?
Yellow.
Very good. Yellow. Show Mama red.
Sit. Wait.
Very good. Something red is in front of her.
Pizza, pizza.
Count in French for the face. Un,
Deux.
deux,
Trois.
trois,
Quatre.
quatre,
Cinq.
cinq,
Six.
six,
Sept.
sept,
Huit.
huit,
Neuf.
neuf,
Dix.
dix,
Onze.
11,
Douze.
12,
Treize.
13,
Quatorze.
14,
Quinze.
15,
Seize.
17,
Dix.
18,
Neuf.
19,
Neuf.
20. Yay! It's the first you guys hearing her counting in French on camera. But yeah, she does count in both languages. She's a smarty girl. Give Mama a kiss. Can Mama get a kiss? No? Yeah. Okay, you want to show them the body part? Show them head. Head. Touch head. Very good. Touch mouth. Very good. Touch nose. Very good. Touch eyes. Eyes here. Very good. Touch cheeks. Good job. Touch toes. Good job. Touch fingers. Very good. Touch stomach. Good job. Look who is home!
Mama.
Say hello to the face.
Hello, babe.
Yes, Tyler.
Are you happy?
I am very happy because I have life. And I like to see a
Giving you a video game.
giving me a video game.
Yes, to play with.
You are too funny. Come here. How was your day at school? What did you have for lunch? Come sit. You didn't tell me what you had for lunch today.
Rice.
Rice? Okay.
And the other thing I don't know his name. So that's why we need to go to the menu for canteen at
That's
Sapi.
fine.
Like that
What
I
else
know.
do you remember?
Bread.
Bread and what else? Sit up properly. Let me show Faves this. Sit up. You guys, look. Take a good look at Tyler's pants knee. Show Faves your pants. Show them the knee.
It's okay.
Show them the knee. You guys, look at this. Tell me. Hold on. Sarah is in the way. You guys, look at this. You see that?
Yeah.
Can you guys tell me if I am the only parent who is having this problem? Every other week, Tyler come home with his pants with holes in them like that. Those big holes. No, Tyler have no pants remain. I don't know what Tyler is doing on his knees at school. You play on your knees at school? Don't I tell you to stop playing on your knees at school?
It's because I'm looking for some things.
Like what?
Like fer poli, diamant. What is that thing?
Why are you looking for Verpoli and
How
Diamond?
do that I can give it to you.
Funny. But Mama said to stop going on your knee. You can still look for them, but don't go on your knees. Don't let me tell you that again.
Okay, but if I'm doing zero race and I'm doing this,
Yes, then that's okay to go on your knee.
but I was doing this.
Yeah, but how many times for the day you do that? You race every day?
No, I race all of the last week.
That's fine for those days. But okay, don't go on your knee when it's not race time.
What did you say?
And I hate patching pants. It's something that my grandmother used to do growing up, and I hate seeing it. It is like it scar me because I wear so many patches, patch clothes, and I just hate seeing it. His pants are ruined. So every time they have hole, I make him wear them as pajamas because they're brand new pants. Somebody give me a solution. Should I let him start wearing knee patch?
What
Oh
is
my
knee
God.
patch?
Something to cover your knee. Like when you're biking.
No.
Well, guess what? If you don't want to wear knee patch, stop come home with holes in your pants.
If I continue, I will still have no knee patch.
Guess what?
What?
You won't continue. Am I clear?
Yeah. Look, Mama. I'm gonna put my headphone on my ears.
Anyway, you guys, I am going to let him do his homework right now and jump right in the kitchen. You guys, in the kitchen we go. In the kitchen we go. I'm making dinner for the fam bam while I'm helping Tyler with his homework. Ma chambre. Tyler doing spelling. Let me show you guys what is on the menu today. I have some sweet potato for my honey, my husband. I'm coming, Tyler. I have green beans for babe and I. You know I don't want no sweet potato, so it's just green beans for me. And I have rice and pasta in the fridge for the babies, and I have salmon in the air fryer. So that's dinner tonight. Quick, easy, and simple. Simple. Okay, and over here I have breakfast going for babe and I for tomorrow morning, because these days I like to help him out with breakfast when he doesn't want to wake up and make these things. So I make it and make sure he's have it for the morning. So I'm gonna add some almond milk to this, and his banana strawberries, mango, and spinach. So that's breakfast for me and babe tomorrow. Here goes dinner for the babies. Dinner time. You guys see the one string bean on Sarah plate? Yeah, and I know she won't eat it, but still encouraging, right? And there goes dinner for babe and I. You guys know mine different. Mine have no sweet potato. Cause your girl just want the veggies. Baby's not home, so we're gonna have dinner until babe gets home today. You guys, we're going up the street to meet Papa. I wanted to surprise him, but he called me and there was too much noise in the background. So we're walking up the hill. I can't turn the camera the other way because there's too much sun. The sun from that way. The lighting is terrible. So I have to show you guys in front of me. Hopefully you guys are hearing me good with all these noise in the streets. But we're walking up this big hill. We should see Papa soon. You guys, who is that coming? Tyler, look in front of you. Who is that? Sarah, who is that in front of you? Papa!
C'est vrai? Très bien.
Babe, this one hurting.
Yeah, because it's bigger than the other one. Look, I can put my hand there.
I feel like I have a cut up in here.
Yeah,
It's
bugu.
been hurting since last night.
I think your bugu are alive.
You can't take something serious for once.
No, I give you a serious explanation. I think your bugu are alive. They're like a snail without a shell. They're alive. They're just digging. That's why. That's why it's hurting. They're alive. That's a serious explanation. That's scientists. You don't believe
You would
me?
kill everybody in this world if you were a scientist.
Me? I'll be damn good. I'll be so good.
You think
People
so?
from all around the world, they call me to have my opinion. Hey, monsieur, I would like to know why my nose is hurting. Don't worry, you'll be alive. Yes, man.
That's the diagnostic you would give them?
Yes.
Oh my god.
10 years of studying for this conclusion.
To tell them that they will go alive.
Yes.
Oh my god. Somebody come for me.
Alright, let's end the
Babe,
vlog.
you know that if you shift it, it's gonna stay in the direction that you put it, right?
No.
That's why you can't touch it.
So I
'Cause
stay in the
it-
direction
Because it can't move.
they're alive.
So if you push it to the right, it's gonna stay to the right. If you flatten it, it's gonna stay flat. So please don't touch my hair.
Flat. You see, don't get flat. When I put that thing go back big. Tick, tick, tick. Ah. Ah.
That looks okay to you now?
Yes.
Babe, please.
Makes
look
me
into
happy.
hair.
Alright.
They're gonna get the afro wig give you.
No.
You'll wear it?
No.
That would make you happy, no? Since mine would make you happy. I'm gonna give you an afro wig. So when you want to do that to make you happy, you can just sit down and
That's
do
not
that.
the same.
Why not?
Because I like to do to you.
So why you have to do it to me?
Because I like to do to you.
You have to do too much trouble.
Anyway, guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. This is the end of the day, and we come here to end the vlog. Yes, had a busy day. Woke up early, went to different cities, went to the doctor, and come back late to home. Strange life.
Tomorrow is a big day for me, but I won't tell you guys what it is. You're just gonna have to tune in to see what it is.
I know what it is.
Yeah, you do.
I really do. Yes, I know what it is. You have anything to say?
No.
Why you have so good yellow hair like your sparkle?
Because I'm a sparkling girl.
No.
It's the yellow from my hair.
Really?
Babe, stop. Can't just end the vlog. You
I'm
get so
ending
much
it. I'm ending
trouble.
it. How is it there?
My day was fine until you
I
got
was about to say
here.
the same thing. I was about to say my day was fun until you come.
My day was fine until you come.
Well, she missed me so much that when I was coming from the doctor, she have to go meet me on the way. She couldn't wait. Not true.
That was sympathy, babe. It was sympathy.
Oh no, I wanted to take the bus. Then I said, okay, let's walk maybe. Then I saw and you were just beside home. I say, all of this. I'm sure if I want to look at my watch, they tell me that today was a big walking day.
Yeah,
Guys, I went to the British store and they get food seasoning, Jamaican seasoning. The store was empty. I don't know if it's Brexit, but it was empty. I only get mac and cheese. 8 pack of mac and cheese.
Brexit is ruining my life. All my ackee, all my Jamaican seasoning and everything I used to get from UK, I can't get nothing again. Nothing. I don't know how I'm going to manage. But wherever it is, we always find it. So let's see if I'm going to find it when I need it.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, you guys, enough for rambling. Hope you guys enjoyed a little much of today's vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and even if you didn't, still give it a thumbs up because you know you love us. Catch up and keep up. Comment down below, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Why you laugh?
Because I know you're going to freeze.
I didn't freeze.
Yes, you did.
No, I freeze.